Welcome to Kaumudy Global. Space discoveries and New Year projects to discover more space wonders are happening every day. And in the latest news, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope creates history. This time with a unique and unheard discovery. One planet that is very similar to Earth. Yes, James Webb has discovered an Earth-like planet. This discovery is very significant. It gives rise to great expectations in the science world. People are all congratulating NASA's James Webb for such a great discovery. And the world is now looking forward to the details of the said discovery. This planet is about 99% of Earth's diameter, and while it is terrestrial, scientists do not yet know if it has an atmosphere. Scientists say it is not a heavy methane atmosphere, though they haven't figured out what is there. Scientists have also confirmed that this planet, located 41 light years away from Earth, is a few hundred degrees warmer than Earth. Such exoplanets have remained invisible to space telescopes. But JWST proves again just how powerful its technology is. Not only that, it is also remarkable that it takes only 2 days to complete one rotation. More information is to be learned about this planet, which was previously classified as LHS 475b, orbiting another star. Such planets usually orbit other stars and remain invisible to space telescopes. Officials at NASA headquarters say that this discovery of Earth-like rocky planet opens up huge possibilities of future studies. In fact, the James Webb telescope is bringing us closer to Earth-like planets outside our solar system. Now, scientists are trying to understand more about this Earth-like planet's atmosphere. There may be no atmosphere at all, or at least a slight presence of any gases such as carbon dioxide. The study is done by analyzing the nature of the light rays that filter through the planet's atmosphere as it passes in front of its sun. Different types of chemicals in the atmosphere absorb different colors. When that happens, you can tell which chemical is in the atmosphere by knowing which color is invisible. James Webb can pick up chemical fingerprints with infrared light. Earlier, James Webb has contributed many critical pieces of information to the scientific community. Importantly, it has given us many wonderful pictures of space, which is quite inaccessible and never could have science world thought of such spectacular shots. Exoplanet WASP-96b has evidence of water in its atmosphere in scientific data collected by this James Webb telescope, along with images. When we pay more attention to James Webb, we can understand many things. The James Webb Space Telescope of NASA is 1.5 million kilometers, that is 930,000 miles from Earth, and captures the wonderful world. It has been described as a time machine that could help unravel the secrets of our universe. To build it, it took almost 3 decades, 30 years. Billions of dollars were spent for it, but it showed gratitude to NASA through its results, which are incredible. The James Webb Space Telescope is a new generation of NASA technology. Like Kepler, the James Webb Space Telescope will help make massive research and discoveries in space. It provides clearer and more brilliant images than the Hubble telescope that was in space before James Webb came. The telescope collects light from the universe and studies facts like the Big Bang, the origin of stars, and how the first Milky Way was formed. It should also be mentioned that this telescope helps to find black holes, stars, planets, and the origin of Milky Way. Historically speaking, it was in 1996 that researchers first began discussing such an initiative. It is also noteworthy that this is a joint venture of 17 countries. NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency are also part of it. NASA's second administrator, James E. The telescope was named Webb then. The project was originally named Next Generation Space Telescope. In any case, James Webb, with its many specialities, continues its triumphant journey. It is also very certain that the most refined telescope of the era, James Webb, will be able to present many more defining moments to the world of science. I'm Shreya signing off. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you want to send us any news or feedback, please send it us on kaumudyglobal@gmail.com.